to map. I'm sorry about that. I did a lesson all by myself, so I want to back up. I'll do the triangles first here today. So we're doing perimeter of triangles. Okay. And you can see here, we're adding all three of the sides together. So on this one, it was 9 feet plus 9 feet plus 9 feet. And I showed you two ways. You could add the three, and in this case, it's equilateral, so all three sides are the same. Or you can do 3 times 9. It's going to be 27. It's going to be the perimeter. Okay. Let's do another one that's not equilateral. So if we have So if this side, we'll say, is 34 inches, we're going to use inches this time. This one's 34 inches, and this one is 42 inches. So what we're going to do to find the perimeter, we're just going to add the area of the outside. And really, it's just, if you went around the outside of the triangle, so in this case, it's going to be 34 plus 34 plus 42. You're going to have 4, 4, that's 10, carry the 1, 4, 7, 11. It's going to be 110 inches for this one. It's just, if you get in your mind, you're just basically, if you took a tape measure, you're just going all the way around the outside of the triangle. That's how we get the perimeter. Now let's do another one. Okay. So it's kind of upside down. We'll say 22 feet. We'll say 31 feet for this side. And we'll say this side is 30 feet. So all you're going to do is you're going to add all three of the sides up together. So we're going to do 30 plus 22 plus 31. That's going to be 3, and that's going to be 5, 8. So it's going to be 83 feet. And we're just taking all three sides. If you think about it, if we straighten this out, that line would be like 83 feet. If we broke this triangle apart, and it would be a straight line. If we unfold it, so to speak, you could just think that that line would be 83. If you had a piece of rope that was 83 feet long, and what we did, we just kind of folded these sides down. We would turn that piece of rope into a triangle, and it'd be 83 feet. Okay. So let's do one more. And I do want to review what we did the other day, too, and I'll do that in a second. Let's do one more triangle here. We'll say this one is 33 feet. Say this one's 41 feet. And this one's 40 feet. Okay, so we're going to add all three of the sides together. We're going to have 33, 41, and 40. So it's going to be 4, 7, 11, 114 feet. Okay. So it's just adding the outside, all three of the outside sides. So what I want to do now, I want to go back and just review kind of what we did on Tuesday. And that was when we did quadrilaterals. And that's just a four-sided figure, 4 straight lines. So remember the first one we did was just like a rectangle. So if this is 22, we'll say 14, 22, 14. we're just going to add all 4 of the sides. So what you could do, 22 and 20, this side, we'll say inches here. That's 14 inches. That's 22 inches, and that's 14 inches. It's going to be 22, 22, 14, and 14. That's going to be 4, 8, 12. Carry the 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 72 inches. And one thing you can do too, if it's easy, you can add the 22 and the 22. That's going to be 44. And the 14 and the 14 is going to be 28. And you get the same thing, it's 72. And like I mentioned on Tuesday, if you had like a little house here in the middle and you wanted to put like a fence up around your house, it's a really bad house, I know. This is just, if this is your property line, you're just putting a fence around the perimeter of your house, it'd be, in this case, 72 inches. But, you know, maybe, say you had a big piece of property and we're using miles instead, it would be a 72 mile. You'd have a lot of property. But you're just taking the measurements of all the sides of your property here. So it'd just be like taking a yard or a tape measure around the outside of your property. And that's how you're going to find the perimeter. So let's do one more quadrilateral, just to review. And remember, it's 4 straight lines. These aren't exactly straight, but you get the idea. These are 4 straight lines. Say this one's 12 feet. This one's 20 feet. This one's 24 feet. And this one's 16 feet. All we're going to do is add all 4 of the sides together. So it'd be 24, 20, 16, and 12. That's going to be 4, 10, 12. Carry the 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 72 feet. And once again, we're just basically measuring kind of the outside of this. We're adding all 4 of the sides together to get the perimeter of that shape. So we'll do one more triangle, and then I'll post some triangles for you to work on your own. So the triangle only has 3 sides. The quadrilateral is going to have 4, but it's just measuring the outside. So this one we'll do. So we'll say this one's 33, this one's 32, and that's 12. And we'll use inches on this one. So it's going to measure all 3 sides. It's going to be 33 plus 32 plus 12. So that's going to be 5, 7, and this is going to be 6, 7. So it's going to be 77 inches. Okay. That is it for today, you guys. Sorry we got on a little bit late. I forgot to start live stream. I haven't done this in a while. And but I'll go ahead and post some practice of the triangles. You guys can work on that. And then I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Have a wonderful day. Bye.